Hi, let's have a look on mathematical inequalities. Before we proceed, first thing we need to know what is algebra. Algebra is the way thinking logically about the world. Besides, algebra is also some of process that explores the abstract relationship between different things. Algebra is also provides way to describe those relationships by doing the arithmetic operation. It can help to solve mathematical problems. So, let's have a look on introduction of inequality. What is inequality? Inequality can be viewed from different perspectives. Inequality related concepts are lifetimes, which is inequality in income for an individual over his or her lifetime. Inequalities also relate different yet complementary insight into the cause. So, how can we relate maths in real life? Ali's parents wants to surprise him by planning to held in science carnival at University Malaysia Kelantan. One of the activities that been held is ping pong nerf target, and they had 2 tickets for the activity, which is separate by 2 plans. So the problem is how many targets would you have to take from plan A less expensive than plan B. So for the solution, the number of target, which is x, will become at last in this solution. So for the plan A will be at the left side, which is 6 plus 0.10 x will be less than plan B, which is 3 plus 0.30 x. By doing the solving, we will get the answer, which is x more than 20. And from the answer, we can conclude that plan A is less expensive than plan B. Let's have a look on problem 2. This is Ali. Ali is a businessman. He sells t-shirt online. Ali makes a flat profit of Rm 4 ringgit per shirt. He need to pay Rm 6 ringgit per day to Maybank for using the app on the website. And the problem is, how many t-shirts does Ali need to sell to make more than Rm 142 ringgit profit per day? So from that, we can list up which is Rm 4 ringgit profit per day, Rm 6 ringgit per day to pay Maybank, and the question that had been highlighted, how much t-shirt does Ali need to sell to get Rm 142 ringgit? So the solution is we need to write down equation 4t minus 6 more than 142, and t will refer to the number of shirts. By solving the linear, we will get number of t-shirt is more than 37. From that, we can conclude Ali need to sell more than 37 t-shirt to make profit more than 142 ringgit. For next chapter, we will go on modeling equation. Let's have a look. There are 2 doctors, which is Dr. Anis and Dr. Badrul. Dr. Anis has saved 4 patients, and the combination of 2 doctors have saved less than 12 patients. So the problem is how many patients that have been rescued by Dr. Badrul. Let's look out for the answer. By doing the equation 2t plus 4 less than 12, and t will refer to the patient that has been saved. From the calculation, we will find out more than 4 patients that have been saved by Dr. Badrul. Let's look out on another problem. Husnul went to the event with $40. He bought a potato and a drink for $5, and he wanted to spend the rest of his money on the movie ticket for $6 each. What is the maximum number of movie tickets that he can buy? So, let's look out for the solution. So, the ways that can be used to get solution on this problem is we need to use let in our calculation. Let M will refer to the number of movie ticket. Cost of food plus cost of movie will be less than $40. After solving the calculation, we will find out that Husnul can spend the rest of his money maximum to 6 movie tickets. By solving a few problems in this video, we can find out a few of principal inequalities, which is fundamental disparity that permits one individual certain material choices, while denying another individual those very same choices. Besides, principal inequality also respecting the income differences that are due to differences in effort requires zero inequality aversion with respect to differences in income that are due to differences in efforts. In addition, inequality also helpful in our life. It helps us to make wise choices in spending money and benefiting us. Inequality also encompasses distinct yet overlapping economic, social, and spatial dimensions. From the inequality, we also can compare the relative size of value. That's all. Thank you.